You're stuck on the side of a highway at 2 a.m., rain pouring down, and your SUV has just given up on you. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there are SUVs out there that could run for 300,000, even 400,000 miles without breaking a sweat? These aren't just vehicles, they're investments that keep paying dividends year after year. Today, we're diving into the world's most bulletproof SUVs, the ones that laugh in the face of time and miles. These are the vehicles your mechanic will rarely see, the ones that start every morning without fail. Buckle up, because we're about to discover the 9 SUVs that redefine reliability and prove that buying once and driving forever isn't just a dream, it's reality. Number 9. Subaru Outback. While technically a crossover rather than a traditional SUV, the Subaru Outback deserves recognition for its exceptional reliability and unique capabilities. This wagon-based vehicle provides SUV-like capability while delivering car-like efficiency and reliability, creating a unique proposition for buyers seeking long-term dependability. Subaru's horizontally opposed engine design provides several reliability advantages. The low center of gravity improves handling and stability, while the engine's inherently balanced design reduces vibration and wear. The naturally aspirated versions of this engine are particularly durable, with many examples exceeding 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Outback's standard all-wheel drive system is one of the most reliable in the industry. Subaru's symmetrical design distributes power evenly between all 4 wheels, providing excellent traction while maintaining simplicity. This system requires minimal maintenance and has proven remarkably durable over decades of production. Subaru's commitment to safety extends to structural durability. The Outback's reinforced unibody construction provides excellent protection while maintaining long-term structural integrity. The advanced high-strength steel construction resists corrosion and maintains its protective qualities even after years of use. Interior quality in the Outback emphasizes practicality and durability over luxury. Subaru uses materials proven to withstand years of family use, and the controls remain responsive and accurate even after extensive operation. The straightforward design avoids complex electronics that can fail over time. Maintenance costs are among the lowest in the SUV segment, thanks to Subaru's efficient design and competitive parts pricing. The Outback's popularity ensures excellent parts availability, and many independent mechanics are familiar with Subaru systems. Most maintenance visits involve only routine service items. The Outback's strong resale value reflects its reputation for reliability and unique capabilities. These vehicles hold their value well, particularly in markets where all-wheel drive capability is valued. This strong resale value combined with low maintenance costs makes the Outback an excellent long-term value proposition. Number 8. Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler occupies a unique position in the SUV world, offering unmatched capability and character while delivering surprising reliability. This iconic SUV proves that rugged design and dependability can coexist, creating a vehicle that can handle decades of adventure while remaining fundamentally reliable. The Wrangler's traditional body-on-frame construction provides exceptional durability and repairability. This proven architecture can handle significant abuse while maintaining structural integrity, and the modular design makes repairs more straightsforward than with unibody vehicles. The removable doors and roof panels are designed to withstand repeated removal and installation without degrading. Jeep's Pentastar V6 engine has proven to be a reliable power plant despite initial concerns. This naturally aspirated design provides adequate power for Wrangler duties while maintaining reasonable durability. The engine's relatively simple design avoids many of the complexity issues that can compromise reliability in modern power plants. The Wrangler's 4-wheel drive system represents decades of refinement and real-world testing. The transfer case, axles, and driveline components are all engineered for maximum durability, with many examples continuing to function properly after years of serious off-road use. This robust system provides unmatched capability while remaining largely maintenance-free. Interior durability in the Wrangler prioritizes function over luxury, but this approach actually enhances reliability. The controls are simple and robust, designed to function properly even in harsh conditions. Water-resistant materials throughout the cabin mean that the interior can handle the unique demands of open-air driving. Maintenance costs are reasonable thanks to the Wrangler's simple design and excellent parts availability. The SUV's popularity means that parts are widely available and competitively priced. Many independent mechanics are familiar with Wrangler systems, helping to keep service costs reasonable. The Wrangler's exceptional resale value reflects its unique position in the market and reputation for durability. These vehicles hold their value better than almost any other SUV, with some variants actually appreciating over time. This strong resale value makes the Wrangler an excellent long-term investment for adventure seekers. Number 7. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX represents Honda's premium approach to SUV reliability, combining the engineering excellence Honda is known for with luxury features and materials. This three-row SUV has built a strong reputation for delivering trouble-free service while providing the refinement and features that luxury buyers demand. Honda's 3.5-liter V6 engine in the MDX is essentially the same proven power plant used in the Pilot, tuned for slightly more performance. This naturally aspirated design maintains Honda's reputation for reliability while providing adequate power for luxury SUV duties. The engine's conservative design and quality construction typically deliver well over 200,000 miles of reliable service. The MDX's sophisticated all-wheel drive system, known as Super Handling All-Wheel Drive, provides exceptional capability while maintaining reliability. This system can actively distribute power between all four wheels to optimize both performance and traction. Despite its sophistication, the system has proven remarkably durable, with many examples functioning properly after years of use. Acura's attention to interior quality extends beyond luxury to durability. The materials used throughout the cabin are selected for their ability to withstand years of use while maintaining their appearance and functionality. Controls remain responsive and accurate even after extensive use, and the seating surfaces resist wear exceptionally well. The MDX's unibody construction provides excellent ride quality and handling while maintaining impressive structural durability. Acura's engineers have optimized this architecture for both performance and longevity, creating a structure that can handle the demands of luxury SUV ownership for decades. Maintenance costs are higher than mainstream SUVs, but reasonable for a luxury vehicle. Acura's dealer network provides excellent service, and the parts availability through Honda's extensive network helps control costs. Many MDX owners report minimal unexpected repairs during the first decade of ownership. The MDX's strong resale value reflects both its luxury positioning and reliability reputation. These vehicles hold their value well, particularly well-maintained examples with complete service histories. This strong resale value helps justify the initial premium over mainstream SUVs. Number 6. Ford Expedition. The Ford Expedition has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years, evolving from a reliability question mark into one of the most dependable full-size SUVs available. Ford's commitment to quality improvement and proven powertrain technology has created an SUV that can deliver hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable service. The Expedition's 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine initially raised reliability concerns, but Ford has continuously refined this power plant to address early issues. Current versions of this engine demonstrate impressive durability when properly maintained, with many examples exceeding 150,000 miles without significant problems. The engine's twin-turbo design provides excellent power and efficiency while maintaining reasonable reliability. Ford's aluminum body construction reduces weight while maintaining durability. The advanced aluminum alloy resists corrosion better than steel, ensuring that the Expedition maintains its structural integrity even in harsh climates. This lightweight construction also improves fuel efficiency and handling without compromising capability. The Expedition's intelligent four-wheel drive system provides capability when needed while remaining largely trouble-free. The system automatically engages when traction is needed and includes multiple drive modes for different conditions. This sophisticated yet reliable system demonstrates Ford's ability to combine advanced technology with dependability. Interior quality has improved dramatically in recent Expedition generations. Ford uses premium materials and construction techniques designed to withstand years of family use. The Sync infotainment system, while complex, has proven more reliable than earlier generations, providing years of trouble-free operation. Ford's extensive dealer network ensures that maintenance and repairs can be performed anywhere. Parts availability is excellent, and many independent mechanics are familiar with Ford's systems. This accessibility helps keep maintenance costs reasonable throughout the vehicle's life. The Expedition's reliability improvements are reflected in improved customer satisfaction scores and reduced warranty claims. Many current Expedition owners report experiences similar to traditional reliability leaders, suggesting that Ford has successfully addressed earlier quality concerns. Number 5. Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe proves that American SUVs can deliver exceptional reliability when properly engineered. This full-size SUV combines traditional body-on-frame durability with modern refinement, creating a vehicle that can serve families and commercial users for decades. The Tahoe's reputation for reliability comes from General Motors' commitment to proven designs and robust construction. The Tahoe's 5.3-liter V8 engine is a masterpiece of simplicity and durability. This pushrod design avoids many of the complexity issues that plague modern engines, instead relying on proven architecture that has been refined over decades. The engine's conservative tuning prioritizes longevity over maximum performance, resulting in a power plant that routinely exceeds 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Body-on-frame construction gives the Tahoe exceptional durability and repairability. This traditional architecture means that the vehicle can handle significant loads and abuse while maintaining structural integrity. The separate frame also makes major repairs more feasible and less expensive than with unibody vehicles. The Tahoe's four-wheel drive system uses proven designs that prioritize reliability over sophistication. The transfer case, differentials, and driveline components are all over-engineered for durability, with many examples continuing to function properly after decades of use. This robust system provides capability when needed while remaining largely maintenance-free. General Motors has significantly improved interior quality in recent Tahoe generations, using materials and construction techniques designed to last. The controls are straightforward and reliable, avoiding complex electronics that can fail over time. This approach ensures that the vehicle remains functional and comfortable even after years of family use. Maintenance costs are reasonable thanks to the Tahoe's simple design and extensive parts network. Chevrolet dealers and independent mechanics can easily service these vehicles, and parts availability is excellent. Many Tahoe owners report that their biggest maintenance expenses are routine items like tires and brakes. The Tahoe's strong resale value reflects its reputation for reliability. These vehicles hold their value well, particularly examples with documented maintenance histories. This strong resale value makes the Tahoe an excellent long-term investment for families needing maximum space and capability. Number 4. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot represents a different approach to SUV reliability, one that emphasizes refined engineering and quality manufacturing over brute strength. This three-row SUV has built a reputation for delivering hundreds of thousands of miles of trouble-free family transportation, proving that reliability doesn't require sacrificing comfort or fuel efficiency. Honda's 3.5-liter V6 engine is a marvel of modern engineering that maintains the reliability Honda is famous for. This naturally aspirated power plant uses Honda's advanced variable valve timing technology to optimize both performance and efficiency while maintaining exceptional durability. The engine's design avoids the complexity that can compromise reliability in many modern power plants. The Pilot's unibody construction provides excellent ride quality and handling while still maintaining impressive durability. Honda's engineers have perfected this architecture over multiple generations, creating a structure that can handle the demands of family life while lasting for decades. The advanced high-strength steel construction resists corrosion and maintains structural integrity even after years of use. Honda's reputation for transmission reliability extends to the Pilot's advanced automatic transmission. This sophisticated gearbox provides smooth, efficient operation while maintaining the durability that Honda customers expect. The transmission's design prioritizes longevity, with robust internal components and effective cooling systems. The Pilot's all-wheel drive system represents Honda's commitment to reliability through simplicity. The system automatically distributes power between the front and rear wheels as needed, providing capability when required while maintaining efficiency during normal driving. This intelligent design avoids the complexity that can compromise reliability in more sophisticated systems. Interior quality in the Pilot emphasizes durability alongside comfort. Honda uses materials and construction techniques proven to withstand the rigors of family use. Controls remain responsive and accurate even after years of operation, and the seating surfaces resist wear exceptionally well. Maintenance costs remain reasonable throughout the Pilot's life, thanks to Honda's efficient design and extensive parts network. Many Pilot owners report minimal unexpected repairs during the first decade of ownership, with most service visits involving only routine maintenance items. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner represents the perfect balance between capability and everyday usability. While it shares the Land Cruiser's legendary reliability DNA, the 4Runner offers a more accessible entry point into Toyota's world of bulletproof SUVs. This midsize SUV has remained largely unchanged in recent years, and that's actually a good thing. Toyota has perfected a formula that simply works. The 4Runner's 4.0-liter V6 engine is a masterpiece of reliability engineering. This naturally aspirated power plant produces adequate power while maintaining exceptional durability. Unlike many modern engines with complex turbocharging and direct injection systems, the 4Runner's engine keeps things simple and robust. This simplicity translates directly into longevity, with many examples easily surpassing 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Body-on-frame construction gives the 4Runner exceptional durability and repairability. This traditional SUV architecture means that the vehicle can handle significant abuse while remaining structurally sound. The separate frame and body design also makes repairs more straightforward and less expensive than unibody vehicles when damage does occur. Toyota's part-time four-wheel drive system in the 4Runner is bulletproof. The transfer case, differentials, and driveline components are all over-engineered for durability. Many 4Runner owners report never having issues with the four-wheel drive system, even after decades of regular off-road use. The interior may not win any luxury awards, but it's built to last. The controls are simple, intuitive, and designed to function properly for hundreds of thousands of miles. This no-nonsense approach extends to the electrical system, which avoids complex electronics that can fail over time. Maintenance costs remain reasonable throughout the 4Runner's life. The simple engine design means fewer things can go wrong, and when service is needed, parts are affordable and widely available. Many owners report that their biggest maintenance expenses are routine items like tires and brakes, exactly what you want to hear from a long-term ownership perspective. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. When it comes to legendary reliability, nothing beats the Toyota Land Cruiser. This isn't just an SUV, it's a monument to engineering excellence that has been perfected over 7 decades. The Land Cruiser has earned its reputation in the world's harshest environments, from the scorching deserts of the Middle East to the frozen tundra of Alaska. The secret behind the Land Cruiser's incredible longevity lies in Toyota's obsession with over-engineering. Every component is built to withstand conditions far more extreme than most drivers will ever encounter. The 5.7-liter V8 engine isn't just powerful, it's virtually indestructible when properly maintained. This power plant has been refined over years to deliver consistent performance well beyond 300,000 miles. What sets the Land Cruiser apart is its body-on-frame construction, which provides exceptional durability compared to unibody designs. This traditional truck-based architecture means that even after decades of use, the vehicle maintains its structural integrity. The full-time four-wheel drive system is equally robust, featuring a center differential that can handle the most demanding terrain without breaking down. Toyota's commitment to quality extends to every detail. The Land Cruiser uses premium materials throughout, from the heavy-duty suspension components to the corrosion-resistant body panels. Even the interior is designed to last, with controls that continue functioning smoothly after hundreds of thousands of miles. Maintenance costs are surprisingly reasonable for such a capable vehicle. Toyota's extensive global network means parts are readily available, and the straightforward design makes repairs accessible to qualified mechanics worldwide. Many Land Cruiser owners report minimal issues even after 20 years of ownership, with some vehicles still running strong at 500,000 miles or more. The resale value speaks volumes about the Land Cruiser's reputation. These vehicles hold their value better than almost any other SUV, often selling for surprisingly high prices even with significant mileage. This strong resale value makes the initial investment much more palatable, knowing that the vehicle will retain substantial worth for decades. The 9 SUVs we've explored today represent the pinnacle of automotive reliability. From the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser that can conquer continents to the versatile Subaru Outback that handles daily commutes with ease, each of these vehicles offers something that's increasingly rare in today's automotive world: true long-term dependability. Remember, buying one of these SUVs isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about peace of mind, financial wisdom, and the confidence that comes from owning a vehicle that will serve you faithfully for hundreds of thousands of miles. In a world of planned obsolescence, these 9 SUVs stand as monuments to what automotive engineering can achieve when reliability is the primary goal. Your next SUV purchase could be your last for the next 20 years. Choose wisely. Choose one of these proven champions and experience what it truly means to buy once and drive forever.